The Monetary Policy Committee on Friday slashed the repo rate by another 40 basis points from 4.4% to 4%. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das said the unanimous decision was taken to revive growth and mitigate the impact of the coronavirus pandemic. The reverse repo rate was reduced to 3.35%. Among the policy decisions taken, the moratorium on term loans available till May 31st was extended by another 3 months till August. Maharashtra government has taken over 80% beds in private hospitals and nursing homes across the state. The state is struggling to provide care to critically ill patients as it leads in the number of coronavirus infections in the country with over 41,000 cases. The notification covers hospitals run by charitable trusts including all the big Mumbai hospitals such as HN Reliance, Leelavati, Breach Candy, Jaslok, Bombay Hospital, Bhatia, Wockhardt, Nanavati, Fortis, LH Hiranandani and PD Hinduja among others. The railways will open reservation counters at select stations from today for booking of only reserved tickets. These counters had been closed since March when the country went under lockdown. Railways Minister Piyush Goyal had earlier said that more passenger trains will be allowed to run soon. This comes after 200 regular passenger trains were scheduled to operate from June the 1st. The Railways is already running 15 special passenger trains between Delhi and other cities as well as hundreds of Shramik specials. Prime Minister Narendra Modi departed for West Bengal to undertake an aerial survey of Cyclone Ampha hit areas. He will also visit Odisha later. Besides conducting aerial surveys, the Prime Minister will take part in review meetings where relief and rehabilitation will be discussed. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik spoke to West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and offered all support to West Bengal in view of the damage caused by Cyclone Ampha. He also took an aerial survey of Ampha hit areas. Mayawati's Bahujan Samaj Party, Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will skip today's opposition meet, which will be chaired by Congress's Sonia Gandhi. The Congress had sent invites to 18 opposition parties earlier this week for the meeting, which would be held through video conference at 3 p.m. The agenda included a whole range of issues, including the centre's economic package and its handling of the migrant crisis as well as the coronavirus pandemic. China is seeking to exercise greater control over Hong Kong and enact a national security legislation in the semi-autonomous financial hub to, quote, establish and improve the legal systems and mechanisms to safeguard national security, unquote, in Hong Kong. This is seen as an attack on Hong Kong's freedom. The former British colony had seen months of pro-democracy protests last year against China's increasing grip.